Good afternoon students. Today we will discuss HTML. Basically, before discussing HTML, we should know what is the use of HTML and where it is being used. If we will know the importance of HTML, then it will be easy for us to understand, to get familiar with HTML. So, right now we have seen there are lots of services available online. Means if we wish to purchase anything, we wish to purchase grocery, we wish to purchase clothes, anything, we wish to book tickets, if we wanted to recharge our mobile, recharge our DTH, anything we can do from home. And how it is possible? It is possible because of some websites, some services, those are available online. These services are available with the help of websites, and maximum of those websites are also available in Android applications, iOS application and Windows application forms also. So, we will discuss it later. Right now we have to discuss and we have to understand what is website and what is the use of that website. Website is like digital documents. Suppose we have our books, just like we have our books, and our books have multiple pages, lots of pages we have in our books. In the same way, the websites has multiple pages. Those pages are known as web page. Web pages means the part of that particular website. A website may contain multiple pages and may not, and may contain a single page also. It is not compulsory, it is not mandatory for any website to have more than one pages, or they have at least one, they should have maximum of one pages. Means it is not limited, it is not the rule, it is the wish of designer, how he wish to design the website. So that website is very helpful thing, very interesting thing, and this website is designed with the help of HTML. Means whatever the web pages we are able to see, whatever the web pages we are able to access, those web pages are written in a particular language. That language is known as HTML, and the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, let's see. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So we can say, or we can just assume that HTML is a language. It is not the programming language, it is a markup language. Means it is used to decorate the text, decorate the page, decorate the, means to format the page. Whatever the information we are going to write on the website, that must be decorated, that must be ordered, that must be properly formatted, and to format, to prepare this page, we require HTML language. There are lots of things that will come later in our syllabus also, and we will come to know there are lots of other languages also. They are used to make the pages more attractive, but it is HTML also. The basics is HTML. Without HTML, it is not possible to create the websites. Any languages we will use to design the web pages, HTML is there. So HTML is very, very important. We can say HTML is the foundation of internet also. In 1990, the Tim Berners-Lee invented HTML, and it was his dream, it was his concept to design the HTML. Actually, before 1990s there was not any HTML type thing, and the Tim Berners-Lee, he was working in a physics laboratory, CERN, Switzerland, CERN, the biggest physics laboratory you might be knowing, and he was working there, and there the scientists from all over the world used to come to discuss the new research, new foundations, whatever the new things are going with them, they used to come and discuss there. But that time it was a problem with the computers, that every scientist was not using the common platform Every scientist was using their different language, whatever the language he was comfortable, they were using. So if any two scientists wish to discuss or wish to exchange the idea or wish to take their data from the computer, they were having a common platform problem. Means suppose Mr. A was using language A and Mr. B was using language B. How it is possible to take data from language A into directly language B? It was not possible. So that time they were forced to learn that language, that particular language, or they were forced to wait for the free time of that particular scientist to get that exact idea. And both this option was very time consuming. The scientist A was very busy. Definitely he will be busy, he will be doing his work. So Tim Berners-Lee, when saw this, he thought there should be any common platform where anyone can share the knowledge without knowing that particular different language. Particular different language means if scientist A is master of language A, scientist B is master of language B, let them be the master of that language. All of them have to learn just a simple HTML, and that is not difficult, that is not complex. Just they have to put their documents with the help of HTML, and that information will be in the form of web pages, and it will be available for all the scientists, all the people, and they can use easily without knowing that HTML language. The beauty of this HTML is, if you do not know HTML, no problem. Even though you can use the websites, you can access the websites, you can extract data from there. So it is not mandatory. You should be a web programmer, you should be a web designer to use the websites. So next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thanks.